Hello, everyone, and hello, Capricorn. This is your general forecast for October 2024. Tignan natin ang energies for you this month and ano ang advice ang gustong ibigay ng iyong universe, no? Ng universe para sa iyo, rather. So, kung bago ka sa channel nito, ang goal natin dito ay magbigay ng guidance using the light from above para may positive energies ang lahat. Alright? So Capricorn, anong nangyayari sa inyo? Kamusta ang inyong September? Was there something na ginawa ninyong bago? Were you able to try something new? Ano to? Anong meron? Sana you were able to pick up something good, no, from the past, yung last natin na reading. But ito yung inyong October reading, okay? You have the 10 of Wands in the past. And I see you, Capricorn, I see you na meron kang wino-work on something or meron kang, hindi ko alam kung pinagtitripan mo lang ito or you're doing something excessive. Ito yung feeling ko dito, no. You're doing something excessive in the past. You may have been doing it wrong. Ang meaning nito is that maybe because meron kang pinag-obsess na thought, na feeling, na action, meron kang gustong gawin na hindi mo magawa, meron ka bang pinagtutuunan ng pansin, tapos ang hindi mo na-realize, yung approach mo doon sa bagay na yun ay mali. So ito yung nakikita ko doon, no. It can be something, it can be a judgment or it can be a wrong direction, no. So there is something that you were doing in the past na may mali. Ah, nakakapagod siya kasi feeling mo ang dami mo parang feeling mo effort na ako ganyan. Pero you may not realize na there is may konting sablay doon ng slight, no? You have the Knight of Cups in reverse and this is your current energy. And okay, ang Knight of Cups kasi is more of somebody who is confident, is bringing along something in a very positive, very very honest way of doing things. There are emotions with you siguro. One of those is maybe alam mo yung may wrong impression or something na nagsimula ka in a emotion na hindi ganun ka okay, tapos you spoke, may nakausap kang tao, you were able to communicate something na hindi masyadong kanais-nais or you were coming across very insensitive kasi uh, or kasi you misunderstood something, and then you start talking to people ganyan. So people will see you or have that feeling from you na bakit ganito siya, bakit ganito. So yun yung energy na nakikita ko sa inyo, no, for October. Pero it doesn't mean na for the whole October ganun ha, because you have the Queen of Wands in October. And this is you, para siyang quick switch eh. Para siyang quick switch na parang sandali lang. Parang may gagawin muna ako, may babaguhin tayo. Pumwesto tayo dito, upo tayo dito, and let's see. Ganyan. So, it's all about you. Parang ginagawan mo ng paraan na wait lang, tignan natin paano natin i-approach ang mga bagay, how are we going to have this a better way of dealing with things, ganyan, how we see ourselves, ano bang klaseng activities ang gagawin natin ngayon, ano magiging inspiration natin, ganyan, how do we make it right, how do we make things become a better outcome, ganyan. Kumbaga parang hindi ka maglo-look back sa mga naging uh, mistakes in the past. So it's more of anong gagawin natin. Pero ang medyo quick switch siya na parang hindi mo na lang pinansin kung ano yung mga nangyari. Parang binaliwala mo kung ano yung mga sinabi mo in the past, no? Parang no recognition at all almost. Basta you just wanted to move uh, sa future, okay? Which can be a good and bad thing, no? But anyway, tignan natin. So with you doing that, there is a hindrance for you when it comes to planning, okay? Because ang potential mo dito sa October mo is the Three of Wands in reverse. Ibig sabihin, there may be a lack of preparation, there may be a lack of where you're seeing things. Baka may mga bagay na hindi ka nakita, na hindi mo na pagplanuhan, hindi mo na paghandaan, ganyan, no? Whatever it is that you're doing, ha, sa sa'yo. And that is because of the moon. Hindi yung buwan, okay? But the moon card, ito. Okay, let me rephrase. It's all because kung bakit ka magkakaroon ng missed opportunities to prepare for things is that may mga bagay na nadidistract ka. Minsan may mga bagay na it's too impossible for you to do in your current area or kung ano man yung situation. Masyado ka nag-iilusyon in other things, okay? So you need to put yourself in reality and to know in yourself ano yung posible and ano yung hindi pa kaya. Okay? Huwag mo masyadong don't spread yourself too thinly. Huwag mo masyadong inaabot ang mga bagay hindi pa kayang abutin kasi when you are trying to shoot to those things na hindi pa masyadong posible, nakakalimutan mo na may mga nasa harapan mo pang mas urgent. Okay? That's what I'm getting. Okay? Kuha na tayo ng advice card, Capricorn. At the same time, it's telling me too, no, na huwag ka masyadong matakot na konting risk as long as you know it's possible na kaya siya. Huwag yung masyadong malayo. Kumbaga, if yung pinaka goal mo talaga is nasa let's say nasa step 3, dun ka muna sa step 1. Okay? Huwag kang matakot. Makakarating ka din doon, but it's just that dun ka muna sa kaya. But huwag ka din yung sobrang takot na sa step 0.1 muna tayo. Huwag kang matakot. You just need to be realistic. That's it. Pero huwag kang matakot na to aspire. Because pagka may takot ka, you're already putting that limit to yourself. But at the same time, ang magbibigay sa iyo ng parang guide dyan is to be logical and to know kung nasaan, be practical, no? Kung saan yung kaya, saan yung pwede, dun ka. And don't limit yourself. First advice card mo is make it God's. Release the idea of my. As soon as you start to say the money, the relationship, the job, yung freedom dumadating. Pagka wala daw grasp, yung walang masyadong, yung ganito ko, yung ganyan ko, kung bibigay mo lang kumbaga wag mo siyang i-labelan as yours, kumbaga hindi masyadong gahaman yung hawak, no? Things come to you, okay? Free me from the prison of my dear Lord. So, when there is no grasping, the right actions get shown. Free me from the prison of my dear Lord. Alright? So, kuha pa tayo ng next card. So, parang ang tema dito, Capricorn, ang kalaban mo is yung sarili mo no? So parang wag ka masyadong lumilipad sa mga bagay na parang kumbaga wag ka masyadong mag-ilusyon, but at the same time wag din masyadong gigil, no? Yun yung dito, yun yung nakikita, yun yung feelings, ito yung yun yung tema. Okay, Violet, spirituality, wisdom, and humility. Isa-isahin natin. Spirituality. You need to be closer to God. You need to be closer to the universe. You need to be closer to your intuition because it's violet. Because from that intuition, doon mo nakukuha ang wisdom mo. Alright? And you have to have the humility to accept na minsan may magkakamali ka, it's fine. We are all humans and normal lang yon. So, just accept it and just move forward. Kumbaga, okay lang yan. Walang masama sa pagkakamali, di ba? And just move forward. And from there, more more of those parang guidance ang darating, alright? Isa pa. I hope these readings are helping, no? Please comment down below kung ano nakaka-resonate pa kayo, guys. Last is let go of guilt. When you allow your light to shine brightly, you inspire others. Forgive yourself for what you think you've done or not done, and trust that God loves you unconditionally for who you are. Learn and grow from past mistakes instead of berating yourself from them. So, wag kang matakot na kumbaga wag kang mag-guilty masyado, no? Kumbaga may pagkakamali ka, tanggapin mo na lang na, ay, mali ako doon. And wag mo nang parusahan yung sarili mong, ito yung ginawa ko before, ito yung ganito, ganyan, 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 ganyan. Because lahat naman bilang tao, nagkakamali. And that's something important that you need to know para makalet go ka doon sa nagpapahirap sa'yo sa mga mistakes mo in the past, because lahat tayo, we make mistakes. And let go of guilt. Okay? Capricorn, that is your reading. And don't forget to follow or subscribe. And always remember, sa lahat ng gagawin mong desisyon, dapat mabuti ang iyong intensyon. Thank you so much.